Awesome. Love
Daniel,
that.
my good friend, you don't want to overkill the name drop. Like if you
Now,
say,
now, how often? Yeah. Now, of course, I'm just saying in general. Most of these folks that are probably listening, maybe you have a like 5 to 10 minutes intro pitch. Based upon your skill set and your tenure and your experience, how often should a name drop be done?
I think that you should use it for transitional sentences and confirmations, even rebuttals. Okay, so if you're switching topics, use that as a bridging sentence. So Daniel, why don't we talk about Philadelphia more? Or Daniel, this makes sense, doesn't it? I mean, there's certain ways to do that. Or Daniel, did you choose ABC or 1, 2, 3? Those are great times. There's are almost checkpoints. Think of it like bread of a sandwich. Top and bottom connects the middle. What do we do in the middle? Personal pronouns, your, are. It's the cousin of the name drop. So you can do a 5 to a 6 to a 1 because in every sentence there is a personal pronoun. My suggestion is to split up a sentence is by giving it a 1/4 second slide. So you could say your, pause, and then continue. So as you're saying, capturing information is the cousin of the name drop. They're still paying attention. And it is the trigger word. It's the spike for emphasis. I believe in pausing before names and numbers. Now, you and I are looking at each other right now, and it's great because we're both good looking. But most of these phone calls, you can't see the person. So there's a lot of difficult times to gauge their reactions. So my suggestion, because the average attention span is about 30 seconds to 2 minutes, think of it as a boxing match. You're not getting 10 minutes. You're going to be buying 30-second shots. And so if we can do these checkpoints, there's a great way. Once again, we're buying another 30 seconds to a minute. Now, we spoke about the buffer boomerang. Usually prior to that, if I may make a suggestion in regards to individuals that are prospecting phone calls, what they should do if they're calling business to consumer or business to business is do a company name spike, or as you are in the real estate industry,